Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, I know you not go want miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure the orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be. See you there.
Gotcha! Whisper, he might come around your side.
Oi!
Whisper, no.
So what you gonna do? Shoot me again? You know me that to see this to really believe it. Dodger, what the backside you do ya? It's a quick trip me taking her. I'm just the one to see my daughter. I'm a woman. Didn't I tell you that I'll take care of them? So you decide to take a trip and jeopardize me on this whole election? They your father. I don't know your Susan, man. So I have to take care of them too. You can't take care of them by yourself. And my responsibility them too.
What dodger? Him dodge me. Receiver,
Kijk hem gaan naar de swamp.
look like a over here some base there. But no worry.
Je catch hem.
You know, I really think you take this thing for a joke, eh? So why you call me now? Why you call me? No, so the agency them run off of me since day. Minister, never mean for this at me, you know. That don't help me now, you know. I told you to stay outside of Jamaica, you know. And you come here and make the agency fine you. And it's me you come to. You know you're behaving like a liability now. Bossy, you have to help me back out of the country. Oh, so I own the airport. I own the airport. You don't think by now the agency going to have your name and your picture plastered out by the airport by now? Yo, if you see my boat, banana boat, oil boat, anything, cargo boat, anything, just do something for me, please. You know what? Get in the car. Get in the damn car, man. And why the backside you smell so bad?
is Mr. Handsome.
Babe, remember said the place full of camera.
So what? It's not like everybody don't already figure out that we're into each other.
Yes, but I still no one treat tonight people in face.
All, we're colleagues. I was only going to hug you. Not like I was gonna throw you on the desk and
You know, saying it easy. You never said it, I gotta do that, you know.
not that I didn't think about it, but you're too loose now. You're too rigid.
I know. I couldn't do it a proper shoulder rub, you know. I come from camp duties next week. What you say?
Can't do this. I thought you said you didn't want to have anything to do with the army anymore.
Well, Mr. Mullins get me in a program to counsel soldiers who have PTSD and also to administer fitness program to the ladies.
Good. So, how's that going?
Good. The fact that I get to help these guys, it make me feel good. Plus, I'm seeing results.
And the female fitness program? Are you seeing results with that one?
Pearl, what do you mean?
I'm just curious. A nice, healthy body man like yourself should have the females sweating. Like literally.
Am I detecting jealousy?
Jealous? I don't get jealous. I get even.
That look is so nostalgic.
I know.
So, how's the bar?
Actually, great. I've done some development to the physical space, and I know of a bartender that can fit in when I have to leave.
Okay. So you have somebody to fill in while you go on assignments.
Something like that.
But you're talking about me. You said you wanted out. What pulled you back in?